Hey guys, how are you? Get comfortable because in this video I'm going to show you how you can tell or how you'll be able to differentiate the Shure SM7dB, the fake versus the original, because the new professional Shure microphone has been cloned and there's an exact replica. So get comfortable because here I'm going to show you the 6 points you need to know, or the 6 points you need to look at so you can realize or differentiate the original versus the fake. Look here, there's an exact replica, and in fact, they are selling it at a high price. I was sold this as an original microphone, and the website where I bought it didn't mention anywhere that it was a fake microphone. That's why I decided to make this video, because it can confuse and deceive some users since it's a replica made with good construction materials. It's really heavy and it looks a lot like the original. The truth is, a novice or someone who doesn't know could easily fall for the trick and think they are buying an original microphone. But in reality, we are looking at a fake microphone. Okay, regarding the box, be careful because the boxes are identical. They look very similar. In fact, look, this is the box of the original. See, the original box comes with everything, right? This is the original. And look at the box of the fake, which would be the same. It's very hard to tell which one is fake and which one is original if you only go by the box. But the box isn't what's important. Let's put it aside here and let's take a look at the microphones. If you take a look back here, if we look at it this way, it's upside down, and I'm going to lower the camera a bit so you can see it a little closer, like this, so it can be seen a bit more up close. Look at the back here. They are similar. There's no change if we look at it this way. Notice that they are identical. It comes with an integrated preamplifier, which is what makes this model special. It comes with an integrated preamplifier, so there's no need to buy one separately, and logically, you can operate it this way. You can put it in bypass or the other option. However, the other one also has it, but how can I tell which one is fake and which one is good? Well, it's easy. Look, on the left side we have the original, and on the right side we have the fake. There are 6 points you need to consider to figure out which one is the real one and which one is the fake. 6 points. The first point is the cable. If you take a look at the cable, you'll notice that the original has a shorter cable. Notice that the fake comes with this really long cable, while the original comes with a shorter one. The second point is that this part here is stronger. It holds better on the original. On the fake, if you move this part, you'll notice it comes off very easily. Just applying a little force makes it come off. That's the second point you need to consider. The third point is that on the original, if we go to the input where we make the audio connection, there's a little seal on the inside. I don't know if my camera is focusing well, but there's a seal here on the part. Notice that there's a little golden seal inside where we connect the sound inputs. However, on the fake, that seal is not there. Look, this is the fake. Notice that the seal is not visible on the fake. This would be the third point for you to realize if it's original or fake. Fourth point, and no less important, is that if we turn it upside down, there are seals that are different. Look at the fake here, which has a completely different seal. This is the original. Notice that it has a seal, and look at how the fake looks with this seal, which are different. If we turn it like this, you'll also notice that the seal is distinct. This is the original, and this is the fake. Notice that it's a completely different seal. The other point, and not more or less important, is this. This is the fifth point, and no less important. It's the part here that allows us to grip the microphone. Notice that this rubber is smaller, If you compare it with the fake, you'll realize that this rubber is larger. This is significant, but it's also something that makes a difference for you to realize which is the original and which is the fake. The other thing you need to know is the audio. When you do a sound test, logically the sound on the original is much better, even though this replica doesn't sound bad. While it's true that I realized once I connected this device that is released by Shure, it is an original. If you connect it to the replica, it doesn't work well. If you want to get the audio via USB Type-C, that's also another way for you to tell which is fake and which is real. This replica or this fake microphone is well made with good construction materials, and I bought it on eBay as an original product. So be careful, because those microphones being sold on eBay at a slightly lower price are completely fake, and you'll realize it when you use a device like this to get the audio via USB. And you'll also notice that it's not the original. In terms of final sound quality, it doesn't sound bad, but logically, the fake will never be able to surpass the sound quality that this completely original Shure microphone provides. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!